EA500H7 Indoor Flexible Rental LED Display is an innovative high-performance display device designed for the rental market and creative display, aiming to provide excellent display effects and flexible installation experience. First of all, each corner of EA500H7 is designed with 4 corner guards, which can effectively prevent the LED module from being damaged during transportation, installation, operation, and disassembly. To ensure the convenience of the installation process and the flatness of the screen, EA500H7 is equipped with 2 quick locks on the left and top of the screen. These quick locks ensure that the screen is installed quickly and efficiently while providing a flat, seamless display effect. In terms of curved installation, EA500H7 also performs well. It uses a dedicated LED module, supports curved installation, and is equipped with a sliding control arc function, so that customers can accurately adjust the curve to suit different display needs. With this design, customers can easily achieve curved installation without worrying about distortion of the display effect, ensuring a flawless visual experience. In addition, the power box of EA500H7 adopts a hub connection design, and the snap-on quick disassembly and installation method makes daily maintenance and replacement easier. This design reduces the downtime of the equipment, improves work efficiency, and greatly meets the rental market's needs for rapid deployment and efficient maintenance. Its lightness, easy storage, and efficient installation design make EA500H7 a perfect choice for various commercial activities, stage performances, and creative displays. In short, EA500H7 Indoor Flexible Rental LED Display combines high flexibility, convenient installation, and excellent safety. With its excellent design and performance, it is widely used in various creative display scenarios. It provides customers with a perfect visual display platform. Whether in terms of visual effects, installation convenience, or reliability in long-term use, EA500H7 can meet the various needs of customers and is an ideal LED display in the rental market.